One of the best way to manage anxiety and to calm ourselves down is by paying attention and controlling the breath. And we are going to do a short, effective breath practice with 3 different breath patterns that works for my students to calm down and manage those anxious feelings. So the first thing we want to do is sit in any relatively comfortable seated position. And this also can be done absolutely sitting on a chair or sitting on a couch. We're going to sit and we're first going to review technical breath. Now, technical breath is paying attention to the breath, which means instead of thinking about all the things we might be thinking about, we're counting and paying attention to the breath. All of the breath practices that we're going to do today, and there's 3 of them, we'll be doing for about 1 minute. So I'm going to start my timer and work you through this breath practice. Technical breath. We inhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. We exhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. We inhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. We exhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. We inhale, let the chest rise as you inhale. 3, 2, 1. We exhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. One more. We inhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we exhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, hands to the knees, let the eyes close. Notice how you feel. A bit more calm, a bit more relaxed. And that was simply 1 minute of technical breath. The next breath pattern we're going to do is called box breathing. And the way it works is that in our mind, as we breathe, we're traveling our breath around a box. So we inhale as if we're going up the side of a box. We hold the breath in as if we're going across the top of a box. We exhale, imagine going down that 3rd side of a box, and then we hold the breath out as we go across the bottom of the box. Repeat. Inhale up the side of the box. Hold the breath in across the top of the box. Exhale down that 3rd side of a box. And then we hold the breath out across the bottom of the box. Slight change. Inhale a slightly bigger box. Hold the breath in, you're going across the top of the box. Exhale, going down that 3rd side of a box. And then you hold the breath out as if you're going across the bottom of the box. So good. Take a moment, take inventory, be a researcher and not a judge. Do you feel calmer, less anxious, more relaxed? The 3rd breath pattern that we're doing is called 3-step breath. And what it is, it's 3 little inhales, and then you hold the breath in and exhale completely. So you take 1/3 of a breath in, 2/3 of a breath in, 3/3 of a breath in, and then you exhale. Doesn't need to be fancy. 1/3 of a breath in, 2/3 of a breath in, 3/3 of a breath in, exhale. Slight change. 1/3 of a breath in, 2/3 of a breath in, 3/3 of a breath in. Now, drop your chin to your chest, pause for a moment, lift the head, exhale completely. One more time. 1/3 of a breath in, 2/3 of a breath in, 3/3 of a breath in. Pause, drop the chin to the chest, lift the chest to the chin, let it percolate, saturate, invigorate. Then lift the head and exhale completely. Take a moment, let the eyes close. Notice for yourself how you feel. from 3 minutes of focused breathing? Are we more calm? Are we more clear? Are we less anxious? Please take this feeling of calmness with you into your day. And let me know in the comments which breathing practice, technical breath, box breath, or three-step breath, felt better for what you need today. Let's remember to keep our practices useful and usable, because that's how we elevate our practice.